Welcome back to Gin Reviews from South Florida. Tonight we're going to go to Washington, D.C. and we are going to do Vigilant. Now Vigilant, made by the Joseph A Magnus company, which makes a variety of whiskey and they've been around since 1892. A very interesting story from Joseph A Magnus, who was the distiller and is his company. He lost the distillery in a fire, and his great grandson wanted to resurrect his legacy, his product and his gin and whiskey, and so that's what he did, and he re-established it in 2015. So it has a lot of lineage, has a lot of story to it. It's really cool. I've been sitting on this bottle for about a year and a half now. I don't know. I just, Navy strength. I love a good Navy strength gin. Especially if I'm having like a rougher day than usual. It just gets you in that right state of mind a little faster. Yeah. So that's kind of what we got here. This is this beautiful bottle. Look at the color on that. It's like purplish. If you could, yeah, you can see it. It's like a purplish color. Very cool. I love the font on it. I love that they put the botanicals right here. Thank you. We are coming in at 57%. Of course, it's Navy strength. It has to be 57% if they want to call it a Navy strength. So we're right on. And the botanical list. We have juniper, of course, harissa, lemon, mint, fig, hops. I love a hop gin. Orris root and hibiscus. They have made one of these things again, but I do see perforation. All right, not bad then. See, I got the same name. Whenever I meet another Joe out there, I was always a good person, Listen. Now, this is this glass, which sounds like it's a cheap glass, but if you look at the construction of it, you see how it's fluted and it goes up like this? This is purposely done. This bottle here is actually a very high caliber glass. They put a lot of money into this. They did a lot of research in it too. If this bottle falls over, it's going to hit this part here, and it's not going to hit in the middle where the sweet spot is, where it'll break. So it won't immediately bust open. I think that's pretty cool. Alright, let's do it. Ready? Oh, that was a good one. Look at that cork. It's fake, but it's on a piece of wood, and they painted it silver. And here's the... Alright, so let's just do this. Oh man, look at that. I don't know if you saw that, but the way it poured, it was, again, they put design, they put thought, they had an engineer do that bottle. I think this is my first Washington, D.C. gin, so. Oh wow, okay. There's a lot going on here. First off, it's very, very clean, and I'm gonna say they steeped their botanicals and then distilled. That's what it smells like to me. But on the nose, it's very interesting. There is juniper. It's not the... It is there. I shouldn't say that. It is like a London Dry in a way. Yeah, the juniper is definitely up front. You know what? It's taken me a little bit back because there is this like sesame seed smell coming out of this, and tarragon. Yeah, that's very nice. I mean, there's not much else on this nose other than deliciousness. I mean, it has the juniper where you want it, and definitely has citrus in the background, and it's very, very smooth on the nose, if that makes sense. There's like a berry smell coming out too, like maybe like blueberry almost. not imitation blueberry, like if you were picking one out in Maine somewhere. You know, I could be smelling this all day. I see some legs on this, so I think we're gonna be a little sweet. Remember, we're at 57%, so it's gonna be a hefty one. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh, I am really enjoying this. Is a burn. It's a very, very good burn. Very nice, and you know, I'm enjoying it. It's taking a minute. Wow, it's okay. So it starts right here. The burn starts here, right? I'm at right about here, and I already drank it, what, a minute ago? I love that. It's traveling very nice and smooth. Well, there's juniper definitely there. That berry smell is also present in the taste, and I can't pinpoint what berry it is. It has like an essence of berry. Very nice. This is a very nice gin. This is a cocktail gin for sure. I mean, I'm gonna do a gin and tonic, but I can't wait to mess around with it a little bit and do some, you know, like a Corpse Reviver or The Last Word. This would be a good one, and that would probably knock you out and might be your last word. It finishes almost like a fine whiskey does. There's like the burn. The burn was just like a fine aged whiskey. So we're gonna do our GNT. See if you can see this one. Look at the pour on that. Like, really, that's really cool. You can put exactly what you want without a lot of turning of the bottle. With my GNT, I just think it's that much better. Alright, adding tonic to this. Let's try this. Wow. That berry note, it's more now towards the sesame, but the like toasted sesame seed. Fig Newtons. Oh my God, that's what it is. I just figured it out. That's exactly what it is. It's like a fig Newton. The berry, because there's fig in the botanical list. It has to be. Oh, that's really cool. The juniper is like zesty juniper. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's more like in your face, I guess. Let's do some citrus. I got Persian here. Oils are all expressed. I went all out tonight. I'm doing the Quattro. We have lemon, y'all. Look at this gorgeous red grapefruit grown right here, South Florida. There we are. Love it. And I went out and I picked one of these today, a GinJoe, and it tastes amazing. All right, and we got that going in there. All of our goodness in our goblet. Cheers, salute, from one Joseph to another. It's gorgeous. I forgot how much I really like all four citrus. I mean, the bitters are great, don't get me wrong, but the fresh orange juice in it, oh my God. This is a freaking amazing GNT. I mean, there is so much flavor in this. The botanicals, I could taste so many. They had to have steeped them and then distilled them. Damn fine product. Another amazing American gin from the good old US of A. Well, hey, Washington DC, fuck yeah, you guys killed it. I mean, this is really one of the better gins I've had in a while. Price point, now I've seen anywhere from $37 to $56, and I'm pretty sure when I bought this it was I think I paid around $38 to $40 for it, so it is on the higher end. You are getting more proof, you're getting more alcohol in the bottle, if that means anything to you. The taste, though, is phenomenal. I say if you see this out there, splurge, because it's a fine product. I could see this in a martini. I could see this in a corpse reviver #2. I could see this, like I said, in the last word. Bee's knees, even. I mean, it could be a really nice boozy bee's knees, which I like. Again, Washington D.C., man, you blew my socks off tonight. This is beautiful. I'm actually mad at myself that I didn't do this sooner. From me to you to me, to everyone out here, and from sea to shining sea. I thank you for sticking to the end, watching these videos, and hopefully one day we could hang out and have a cocktail. Alright, take care, ciao, you bet.